Wow, the next question is very strange, but it has to be asked. Why does a disciple not follow the Guru's command or simple instructions from the Guru? The Guru says, go sit in the corner. Guruji, I got to go and work in the kitchen, I had so much things to do. I have to run to the market, I am going to do this. Oh my God, the number of reasons the disciple loves to give is unimaginable. He may not give that many reasons to his own wife, by the way. If his wife asks, where were you? He will say, I बहुत काम कर रहा था. I was working a lot. And that suffices the wife. Okay. She'll say, yeah, my husband must be working very hard. But try telling that to your Guru. You understand? A simple instruction from the Guru can never be followed for a very simple reason. Your mind chatters too much. And your ego. You see, the ego is so strong that it doesn't want to surrender. No. You don't surrender. When you come and meet your Guru, what happens is very strange. The moment you meet him, please remember this. You have crossed your first destination. 50% of the job is over. You have met him. Okay, now the remaining 50% is balance. To meet him is so difficult. You should know this. Go and ask those thousands and millions of Indians and foreigners who are searching. Don't tell like that. They are searching for the answers everywhere. No, they don't find any gurus. So then what happens? So this person whom you have met as a guru, the first thing that he does is he sets his eyes on you. He looks at you. Your world changes. Your entire world changes. The magic starts happening then. It is like this, that Pari stone is there. You touch it to a metal and that turns into gold. Something like that happens. It's a magical journey. That is why the first point is magical. You remember Harry Potter? He goes to the railway station and he has to go and on the platform 11 something. There is no such platform, and then there is that wall over there and that opens up. It's exactly like that. Or in that story where open sesame and the door opens and then you are there looking at all the gold inside. Right? Exactly like that. So when you find that gold inside and the door has opened, that is the first look that you have. And that look is what is important. It has changed your life forever. Then the next thing that happens to you is his tattva enters your being. Essence, as we call it, essence. You see, if I have to describe essence, it's simply like this. In your office, there will be some girl who will be wearing a very heavy perfume and coming. You know very well when she passes from near your door, no? This one is passing by. बाजू से चल रही है. मतलब smell तो आएगा. It's like that. That's the essence, the smell, that little smell. So imagine if you can get that smell of the perfume. Imagine when you are going in front of the Guru, his essence. That essence is that spiritual tattva that is there. Enters your being. It actually enters your being. It starts changing you. And if you are fortunate enough to get initiated, then you have crossed another 25% of your journey. Alright? This is the truth. So, but the ego is still intact in most of the cases. Because we don't want to give up our outer covering. You see, it is said that you have to go naked in front of the Guru. What does it mean? It doesn't mean that when you are going to the Guru, remove all your clothes and go. Don't be stupid, okay? If Guru is not interested in some floor shows, okay? Please understand this. Guru, when we say naked in front of Guru, it only means that all your ego, arrogance, everything you leave outside somewhere when you go to meet him, alright? Your entire, kacha chitta, we call it kacha chitta. Your entire life story is known to him. It's like, I know you. Like that, I know you. A real guru knows the whole history, geography of the person. Because you remember, he's already read your book in your last life, okay? Your full story is known to him. And he knows where he is to take you this time also. So, he is a person who is already read your storybook. So, he knows. So, when you meet him, the first thing that you got to do is drop your ego and arrogance outside. Surrender at the feet. Surrender at the feet of the Guru. Surrender doesn't happen because your ego is intact. They look at a person and they say, he's an ordinary fellow. What is he going to do? Ordinary person? What is he going to do? Well, he doesn't carry any magic wand in his hand or something like that. And he's not going to sing, Bhutaraja, Maharaja or something like that, some songs. No. He's not going to do any of those songs and gimmickry and all and throw something like this. Okay. No. There are some Babas in the past who used to create like this and they will create magic and they will make one locket and one gold chain and all or some foreign objects they will prepare. Not those kind of Babas, those are all fakes. Don't go to such kind of Babas. This man is looking like an ordinary fellow from the roadside. I'm telling you this. He doesn't do any magic. But you see, his magic is the way he changes you. If you have been in his company even for 2 hours, I'm not joking, 2 hours, 3 hours or 4 hours, go and check yourself in your mirror. Go and see what you have done to your life. He has modified it to such a level you can't even imagine. He brings those dramatic changes in you. Now the quest starts. You see the hunger. Girlfriend, boyfriend kaisa rehta hai? Like that. You may think of him as some girlfriend of yours and you're going to pursue that subject. It is like as if you can't think of anything. Full day, night you're thinking of that subject. But the ego is still there. So this disciple doesn't follow the Guru because till the time you do not surrender your ego and all that thing that you think that you are at the feet of the Guru, it's going to continue. Your lessons may be heard by you, but they are not sinking in. They'll not have that effect. That magical effect of the first few days is there, of course. You will find it even till the end of your life. But you want to progress in the spiritual, surrender is important. Have complete faith in him. The faith that you are showing to your own children, to your own parents. Nobody goes and tells the mother, I don't think I am your son, I did my DNA analysis. Wow, you're not going to go and ask your mother like this, are you? No, you're not going to do that. You are sure this is my mother. No, I'm not talking about the father, okay? But that also, you are my father and this is my mother, because he is an arrogant fellow, then your arrogance will come from him only. So, you may say like that. So, got the whole point? So this idea, you are so sure, is called faith. Faith in the person. So have that faith and have that surrender. The day you surrender, you will find that magic is literally out of proportions. It just starts. So, why? Because of ego. When you give up, that time all this happens.